In this guide, I'm going to talk about who actually qualifies for free tax filing and how you can file your taxes at no cost using TurboTax. So let's get started. So first, the good news is that filing your taxes for free is possible for millions of people. In fact, over 11 million taxpayers use free filing every year, and about 37% of people may qualify depending on their situation. Now, to qualify for free filing, you usually need to have a simple tax return using Form 1040 with no complicated additional schedules. Some exceptions are allowed, such as claiming credit like the Earned Income Tax Credit, Child Tax Credit, or Student Loan Interest Deduction. As long as your return stays relatively simple, you may be eligible for free filing through TurboTax Free Edition. Getting started is very easy. You simply open the app or website, answer a few basic questions about your life, and the system guides you step by step. You can even import last year's tax information automatically or upload or take a photo of your W-2 and the system will fill in your details for you. If during the process your tax situation becomes more complex, TurboTax will let you know right away. You can then decide whether to continue with the paid version or stop completely. There's no pressure and you won't be charged. And that's it. The goal is to make sure you get your maximum refund while giving you the option to file for a fee if you qualify. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.